The LED display industry has long lacked unified service standards. Service quality is hard to measure, service value difficult to quantify, and customer experience varies greatly. Absen is customer-centric, addresses industry pain points, and creates maximum value for customers. Absen unveils the LED display industry's first service standards white paper and make an open commitment to the whole industry. 3 core values define our service standards: fast, professional, and global. This is not merely a slogan. It is an actionable standard and Absen's sincere commitment to the entire industry.
Anytime we have a question of your team, they're very quick to respond. Any projects we've had, if there's been any issues, they've been quickly identified and taken care of.
All channel 24/7's online support, fastest ARMA delivery in 24 hours, fastest on-site service available in 4 hours, the industry's first 3-tiered support system. 100% Ask certified in-house engineers, average industry experience over 8 years, 5400 plus global Absen certified engineers. Standardized look, standardized tools, and standardized processes.
Les équipes Absen sont très orientées clients avec beaucoup de disponibilité et beaucoup de réactivité, parfois malgré le décalage horaire qu'il peut y avoir entre la France et la Chine.
Absen's service footprint covers Asia Pacific, Europe, America, Africa, the Middle East, and worldwide. Regardless of regions, borders, or market tiers, we adhere to unified service norms to deliver premium global services, 15 Tier 1 and 25 Tier 2 service centers, along with 1,000 plus service partners, achieve full global coverage with no blind spots. The digital service ecosystem efficiently supports global resource allocation and operation, ensuring full implementation of service standards. Absen Care, your trusted LED display service partner, always by your side.